Hello everyone. So today we're going to solve 901 online stock span. It says that we are supposed to design an algorithm that collects daily price scores for some stock and returns the span of that stock's price for the current day. Okay. The span of the stock's price is 1 day. In 1 day is the maximum number of consecutive days starting from that day and going back forward, for which the stock price was less than or equal to the price of that day. Okay. So basically they're asking that given something, if given a price, how many consecutive days from this price to the previous days was this price greater than or equal to the previous ones. Okay, so for example, 7212 and the stock price today is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our output is 4. Okay. And if the prices of the stock in the last 4 days is this and the price of the stock today is 8, so 2 is less than this. So you add it to your answer. So that's 2. Then 1 is also less, so that's 3 days. Then this is not, so the answer is 3 days. Okay. Yeah, so idea is basically you're given a stream of stock prices and given a stock price. You're supposed to check for how many consecutive days from that day to the previous days was this price greater than or equal to all the days. But it has to be consecutive, so you don't look back once it breaks. Okay. Um, So one very basic way to do this would be you just create a linked list or something and you keep checking every time whether how many not linked list some sort of data structure where you can go back again and again. Yeah, you can have linked list as well, but yeah, I mean that's O of n for every time we do it, so I don't want it. So I'm thinking some sort of stack here, because what I can do is I'll push a value and then I every time I'm getting a new value. So let's say, for example, when I get 70, right? Okay, for 100 I put in 100. For 80 I put in 80 because this value is not less than 80. Then I get 60, this value is lot less than 60, so I put 60 as well. Then when I get 70, I see this is less, 60 is less than 70, right? So my 70 should be 2, right? So I pop that from my stack and I put 70 as 2. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is of the idea that for 100 I put 1, then I get 80. Since 100 is not less than 80, I put 80 as 1. And then when I get 60, since 60 is not less than 80, 80 is not less than 60, I again put 1. When I get 70, right? Now 60 is less than 70. So I import 60 and my 70 becomes 2. Then I check 80. Is 80 less than 70? No. So my 70 goes as 2, right? Then I get 60. Now 70 is less than 60? No. So 60 goes as 1. Then I get 75, right? Now 60 is less than 75. So this is popped out and 75 becomes 2, right? And then I again check 70 is less than that, right? So this becomes 4 and I stop here. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the basic idea. To code it, I would say I'll go with a stack where I'll put in pair of integers, stack of pair of integers, right? And this will be my stack. Okay, let's declare it on top. And then I create, I make stack as new stack, right? And then what I'm gonna do is uh, every time I get a value, I'll check while my stack is not empty, and when my stack is not empty, and then stack dot peak dot get value, right? So when I peak and I get the, okay, so it has to be get key if that is less than equal to the current value that I have, which is price, right? Let's make this a pair. Okay, and once I have this, if that's the case, otherwise I'm just gonna do stack dot push. I'm gonna push a new pair of price, comma. Okay, I need someone which will take care of count. So let's keep a count, right? And let that count be 1. because if there's nothing which is less than equal to that, I'll just put my count, which is 1. But if I find something, right, I'm gonna do stack.pop, and I'm gonna get the value of it, right, and I'm gonna add it to my count. So this is basically keeping track of the number of values which is less than or equal to the current number. And once I have that, yeah, that's it, right? And then at the end I can just return count for that value. This makes sense. Okay, it's not able to find pair. Oh, ideally it's from the fx class and it usually finds it. But let's see. Okay, let's remove these. Yeah, it finds it. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this works. Okay, let's try. I think there's no more case. Okay, awesome. It worked. So yeah, that's the basic idea. You just keep a stack, and it's basically showing a pair of the value and the number of consecutive days which have stock value less than equal to this, and you keep a stack which keeps track of these. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.